Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to join Roblox private server links on Discord mobile. There are a number of ways you can join a Discord server, but all of them require you to have an invite link. Server invite links can be shared from person to person, and they can also be posted publicly online. Additionally, if the server has been boosted to level 3, that server may have a custom invite link. For example, many YouTube and Twitch content creators and custom Discord server invites on their profile pages. But I will show you the Roblox invite links. Joining servers using the mobile app is also very easy, as on PCs, this requires copying an invite link to your clipboard. Open the Discord app on your Android or iOS. Scroll down to the bottom of your servers list. Press the plus shape at the server button. Then press join a friend on Discord. Then paste the server invite link or the Roblox invite link into the invite link field. Then tap join server. After you paste the link, open the link and tap the play button. Make sure to click open confirmation screen. The screen will first jump into Roblox, then into the App Store. It's not a bug, it opens Roblox soon after it takes you to the App Store. Anyways, you cannot use the website on mobile. You need the Roblox app. It is impossible to play Roblox through the website on mobile. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.